Have you been telling yourself, I'll wear that outfit when I lose weight, I'll travel when I have more money, or I'll finally become happy when I'll be the best version of myself? If any of that sounded similar, this video is for you. Because I used to think the same way before. I genuinely believed that one day I'll wake up and have everything figured out, and that is when my life will begin. Until one day I realized something that scared me. My life has already started. I do not want this to be another motivational video that makes you feel motivated and inspired for 10 minutes and then you forget about it. If you're thinking that your life is yet to start, you don't know what to do, you're stuck, you're still figuring it out, you don't know where life is taking you, this video is honestly going to change your complete perspective about life. For the longest time, I thought that I was preparing for life. I was preparing to become more prettier, I was preparing to become disciplined, I was preparing to become someone worth living. And while thinking all of this, I wasn't actually living. Maybe you do this too. Maybe you have convinced yourself that you will achieve that one specific goal and then you'll start living your life. You know what the problem is? That the goal keeps moving. You wanted to lose weight, you did lose it. Now you want clearer skin. Get clear skin, now you want more money. You earn more money, now you want a better job. And I was doing all of this. That is when I realized that I am actually not living my life. One day I asked myself a question. If I keep waiting until everything is perfect, when exactly do I start living? And you know what? That day never comes. You're always gonna find yourself wanting more. There will always be another goal, another insecurity, another reason to not start. So instead of trying to change my entire life overnight, I started to change the way I thought. I stopped waiting to become confident. Waiting until you're confident enough to start something, please stop that right now. Whether it's starting a YouTube channel, posting reels, applying for a job, wearing that outfit, stop it. Confidence does not come first, and we need to understand that. Confidence only comes when you have done the scary part, example like posting online, because that scares you. When you have done something like that for enough of times, that is when you become confident. When you practice doing that, that is what makes you confident. You have to do the hard part to get somewhere. You have to start somewhere. Stop asking yourself, do I feel ready? Start asking, what can I do today? I stopped believing my future self would save me. I used to tell myself I'll become disciplined next month, I'll start my diet tomorrow, future will have it all together. The version that you're dreaming about isn't built tomorrow. She's present today. She has to build herself today. I used to think I have to deserve happiness. But why was I treating my joy like a reward? I stopped waiting for myself to give me the right to live my life. Life is not something you unlock after completing a checklist. Your life is happening. You need to enjoy and live your life right now. I stopped ignoring the ordinary days. Most of our lives aren't vacations. There are random Mondays, ordinary Tuesdays, and it's fine. Waiting for your birthday, your anniversaries, or some milestone to live life, you're missing out on most of your life. Try to make your small things special, and these moments matter more than you think. I stopped comparing my beginning to someone else's middle. You think everyone is ahead of you, but you don't realize that how long it must have taken them to reach there. You don't see the years they have spent learning, failing, redoing it, remaking it, and growing. So instead of asking yourself, why am I not there yet? Ask yourself, am I becoming a little better than the person I was yesterday? It's the only comparison that will ever help you. I'm still figuring my life out. I'm still working on my confidence. I'm still chasing goals that sometimes feel very far away. But the biggest difference is that I am not waiting anymore. I am living while I am becoming. And you should too. And I really hope after watching this video you stop waiting too. Because your life is not starting next year or when you lose 10 kgs or when you earn more money or when you'll have the perfect body or when you'll be perfect. Your life is happening right now. Don't miss it. Don't miss out on your life because you're waiting for a version of yourself that is not even created yet. She does not exist right now. If you're someone who's trying to become the best version of yourself while still growing, still learning, and correcting your mistakes along the way, please consider subscribing because there's a lot more coming and I would love for you to join this community. And I'll see you in the next video.